Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my certified pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2018 Chevy Impala 1LT. This vehicle only has 34,496 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. This Impala comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine and your custom 18-inch painted alloy wheels. Now, when we go ahead and get inside this Impala, you can see that we do have our half cloth, half leather seating throughout the entire vehicle. Now, when it does come to the front of this, we do have our Chevy MyLink radio, our secret hidden compartment, your push to talk, and standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.